Welcome to another episode of Mach Fishing. It's time to get some big fall crabs, so I'll be experimenting with crabbing in 4 to 14 feet of water. Typically, this has been the best time of the year to crab and get your largest, heaviest crabs. Historically, in October, the water would normally start cooling down and the crabs would start moving deeper until they leave the area or mud down for the winter. I would be crabbing the eastern shore of Maryland with low winds and daytime temperatures up to 75 degrees. I think it actually got up even higher than that. It would be a great day. I would be fishing an outgoing tide. My first drop would be in 13 feet of water. Hey, the water is 71.8 degrees. I plan to try to go a little deeper this time to see how the crabs are and see if there's a change in quality. I'll be crabbing somewhere between 12.5 and 9, maybe 8.5 feet of water. We'll see. If nothing shows up, I'll move it into slightly shallower water. Teddy and Richard are out here. Richard's just launching and Teddy is in about 8 feet of water. So we'll see where they are. Beautiful day, low winds, and hopefully we'll get some crabs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Alright, this is my first run. Hopefully line's not too tight, not too loose. Feels okay. Man, the sun is out. I got the shades. A little hard to see in the water. You can see about a foot down. Okay. Wait for the chain. So far, no crabs on the slope. This is the deeper side. So far, nothing. 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 So far, deep side is not winning out. Okay, got one. Okay, about 13.3 feet. Still not what I'm looking for. Okay, 2. 13.2. There's another one. Oh, got him. 3. Oh, got him. 3. But they're not the big rusty ones I'm looking for. But I got 3 at least. If I get 6, then I'll leave the line where it is. Trying to see what the shallower side will do. Oh, he jumped off. He saw me in the sun. Oh! Got you with a big one. Oh man, that was a big one down there. I'll leave it. Let's see if I can get that one monster on the end if he comes back. Female. All right, only a female, that's it. I'm gonna move it. They're still nice crabs, but not what I want. For 2 runs, just 3 crabs, not good. Okay, I pulled my line in and I'm gonna try to go shoot for 6 to 9 feet of water instead. Right now, oh, I just hit 8. So I'm right in the area. Time to deploy. Redeploying the line. I'm just holding the bucket in my lap this time.
You got your line up yet?
Yep, I'm putting it back down right now.
Alright, I'm trying to make it over there to my spot.
Yeah, Teddy decided to do the same thing. He wasn't catching a lot. I mean, we caught some crabs, but I only caught 4. I think he might have caught 5 or 6.
Female crabs is killing my bait.
Oh, well, you just heard him. He said the female crabs are killing his bait, so I only saw 1 female in my run. But let me go deploy this line, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go again. This line feels a little tight. Might have to loosen this. It looks way tight, definitely. I'll deal with that after I go down the line. Starting off in 7.3 feet of water. So we'll see what we have. Yeah, that chain's too high up. Oh, wow. Got you. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that. Now we're talking. That makes up for that one that got off. That's probably actually bigger. But that's only one. We'll see. Right now I don't see much going on. 7 feet now. Definitely a little tight. I'll have to loosen it a little bit. That's a baby. They could see you. That's another baby, another female, small female. There's a little bit more life right here. Oh, there's one. He saw me. You guys saw that. He just drifted away before I can even get to him. Yeah. Bright sun's not your friend. Nice sunny day is not your friend for crabbing. You want that overcast day. At least that was another crab I saw. Pick up my speed a little bit. Oh, I missed him. I saw he... Man, they're seeing me. Those bastards. Here's another one. Go up. Got him. I had to do my leaning trick. Kind of lift him out of the water. Oh, there's another one. Man. There we go. Female, we'll leave her alone. Yep, there's another one. Let's do the leaning. There we go. Female, get away from my bait. Oh, that was already more productive than the other location I was in. So we're definitely not deep in this river. Not yet, at least. At these water temperatures. Yep, another one. Dark, too. Oh, come on. Swam away from me. Well, at least I know they're there. So definitely between 6.2 and 7.5, I've got the most activity so far. Over 8 feet, not much at all. Oop, I saw him let go. Man, they're just letting go. Oh, man. Jeez. That's a low guy. They're just letting go. There's no... Oh, that's a female. Let's see what size she is. Big, lazy female. She was lazy because she just holding on to bait. She didn't care that I was going to get her because she knew I can't keep her. Oop, he let go. I'm gonna try going the other way, even though I know the There, got him. Floating away. Yeah, I'm gonna go the other way and see if the shadow may not bother them. Ooh, that's a nice big one there. Female let go. Much better. See? Much better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and I missed at least 3 of them. So I could have had 10 on that run. But at least they're there. The other spot, I wasn't seeing any after the first run. There we go. Water's 72.2 now. 6.6. Oh, there's something. There we go. .9. Oh, there's the chain. Alright, let me see if I can pull this a little bit. I don't think that chain's all the way down. A little loose. There we go. more there. Big ones. I just got another big one. There's one that I saw that one disappear. Looked like a female. I'm trying to go a different direction, even though this is the direction I shouldn't be going, because your shadow could scare the crab. They're seeing me real well with the sunlight coming down the line where my shadow's on the opposite side. So I'm using my shadow to see if it'll give me some cover. So when I move, they won't see me move. They'll just be looking at the shadow. But we'll see. See, there's one. Got him. Let the shadow do it, and I try not to move too much because they will see you move. Man versus crab. That looks like no, it's a male. Couldn't move fast enough for him. He would watch me carefully. That guy was turning away from me, but I got him anyway. Go from underneath. Okay, I'm pulling the line in again for the second time. I'm going to move it to a different location where I'm going down the line a different direction. So hopefully the crabs won't be jumping. I had like a dozen jumpers, and that's not good. So I'm going to go a different direction where the sun is more at my back than on my side. Okay, I'm in another spot a little closer to shore. I'm only in 4 to 5 feet of water on the low tide, low end. So I'll see how this goes. So I've tried 4 to 5 feet, I've tried 6 to 8 feet, and I've tried 8 to 12 and a half feet. So far my probably the 6 to 8 was the best, but it's shut down now, and I had a lot of jumpers because the sun was to my side. This way over here, I'm joining Teddy where the sun is to my back. So we'll see if that avoids or reduces the amount of jumpers. I have about maybe 3/4 of a bushel to half a bushel right now. The first hour that I was crabbing was pretty much a waste because the deep water didn't have anything but 4 crabs, that's all. I thought there would have been nice big heavy ones in the deep water by now, but the water temperature is now up to 73.2 to 73.5. It's been gradually increasing. Okay, my line is down, and I'm going to make another run in the new location. The water is about 72 degrees now, and I'm doing a little bit shallower. I'm in 7.9 to about 6, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, first run in location number 3. Not a single crab on the line. And 1 jumper. And it's a baby female. Yeah, I'll let this soak a minute and then go down at one time. There's a baby female on here. She just let go. But no males yet. I mean, they could be shutting down too, so. Cause that, yeah, but that was up there. Okay, here's one. And he just left. He jumped before I could even get to him. But he wasn't big. Huh? Yeah, as soon as he saw the blue barrel, he jumped. Still no crabs though. Only 2 so far. Well, I'm gonna run down this line one more time. If I get nothing, I'm gonna pull it in and move it to a fourth spot and call it a day. I decided to move the line a fourth time. I'm just trying a different direction. Getting a lot of jumpers today. It's frustrating. I'm close to a half a bushel, but should have had probably another dozen and a half if it wasn't for the jumpers. And I ended up getting a lot of females too that I had to throw back. Probably a dozen and a half to 2 dozen females. Females, I went near Teddy and was about 40 feet from him, and I was catching a whole bunch of females. So I decided to pull up and try one last spot. I'm roughly in about 6 feet of water, and hopefully I'll go up to shallower water and I'll, you know, cover a range like I wanted to do, and we'll see. I'll just crab for another half an hour and then I'm gonna pull in. Actually, I'm down to 5.8. Water temperature 73.7. Wow. I dropped the line out in the fourth location. I'm going to this little beach so I can make sure these crabs are covered in my wet blanket to keep them cool. It's starting to get warm out here. There we go. Hey, fellow crabbers, I'm looking at my temperature for the water, and it's now gotten up to 74.1 degrees. Wow. Crabs seem to be still in the shallows, so there still might be some good crabbing till the end of the month, as long as we don't get a big cold snap. All right, this is it. Try a couple runs on this different spot. Other than that, I'll be packing it in. Teddy's already gone, and Richard, he was fishing, not crabbing, and so he's about to head in now. So I'll be heading in 20 minutes. I just had to try this spot to see what's the difference. So anyway, okay, I got 4 on that last run. Not bad. If I can get 4 up, 4 down, that's 12. I'm calling it quits. But this was much more productive. The sweet spot for me seems to be 6 feet. Oh, he saw me from way back. I just did a crazy reach just to see if I would blindly snag him, but that didn't work. Yeah, still a problem with these crabs seeing me. The later crabbing start time makes it a little bit more difficult because the sun is up more than when it's real early in the morning. So you have a better shot at not missing crabs. Got another one. Hard and heavy. Seem like the lighter ones are the skittish ones. Notice I put my camera down, the front camera there. I'm suspecting that when I'm going down the line, what makes them jump too is they see the black silhouette of this camera sticking out. So this is not a good spot for this camera when crabbing in the daytime. So I'll try to move the camera to the other side, you know, and the next time I go out and see if it makes a difference. Okay, I caught enough crabs. I got close to a dozen on that last lay, and it's still slow, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull it in and start heading home. But it was still fun. Beautiful day, low winds, sunny, but the sun wasn't good for the crabs. But I'm thinking that my camera, my front camera, the crabs could be seeing that front camera, and that's what's making them jump off. That they're seeing the silhouette of the camera. So I put the camera down, and I seem to be having a better catch ratio, but it's hard to tell. So until next time, keep on crabbing.
Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be alerted to when I have new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to check out my other videos.